this is the Tibetan Om. And I don't know if I'm holding it the right direction. This is beautiful. From Dharamsala, India, where the Dalai Lama lives and runs the Tibetan exile government. My daughter was there for a month taking classes in yoga, and this is what she brought me. Something I've always wanted, and I'm so glad I waited because, my goodness, who would have, I mean, it's from there. It's perfect, and I haven't even struck it yet. Okay, so I think you hold it like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you hit it, and then you start to rub,
Sure.
Is that it?
Mm-hmm.
Like this?
Good.
Oh, I did it too soon, huh?
Yeah, I'll show you.